Mmm. Mountain Dew tastes disgusting. Laura, is this diet?
Yes, it's diet.
Oh, God, it tastes horrible. Oh, I don't know. I'm starting to feel good. Let me take one more sip, one more sip.
No, you're sick. Oh, no. Are you sick? Are you okay? Don't worry. Are you sick?
Tell my mom I love her.
Okay.
Not now. Not now. Oh, that Mountain Dew is
I'm gonna call
horrible.
your mom.
No, don't get her. Come back.
Look, she's taking diet. She's taking diet. And now she died now. Whoa. And she's videotaping. Don't worry, you can get out. And she's videotaping. Hey, Shell, are you okay?
I can't breathe.
Don't worry, you're gonna be sick.
I can't breathe.
Stop! Oh no! Are you okay?
I think so.
I think we're gonna.
Angelina, I'm gonna need you to give me a foot massage.
Okay. What time is going? Beautiful surprise. So I was beautiful on the side. So
Okay.
I'm just fabulous.
You're fabulous.
Because I'm cute. Because I'm just fabulous at all. So I was on the person that's fabulous because I'm fabulous and cute. And I was getting like this, like that, and say ciao.